we will be taking the carbon off this piston to make it look like this piston using Seafoam treatment and steel wool and a couple soft bristle brushes. The pistons need to sit for 24 hours in the Seafoam. I left one out to show you what it looks like the before. You're just going to take the steel wool with the Seafoam still on it and scrub the top, and then use the brushes to ensure that you get all of the carbon that's in the piston ring track in the piston where the piston rings go, and then you just keep going through it with the brush on the top all to get a lot more of the carbon off. But as you can see, so it's already looking a lot better. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. Um, you can see this one is one that is completely done. Um, Nothing where the rings go. This is what pulled out of the engine where it's carbon buildup inside where the ring traces are. Tops, you can see not everything came off, but it's pretty close, especially in comparison to the old one. If there's any other comments, questions, feel free to subscribe. But that's how you take the carbon off of these pistons when they're out of the car.